I hear my loving fans. Fans, are you ready for another story?
Yeah!
Fans, are you ready for another song?
Yeah!
All right, then I suppose we should just get this ball rolling, shouldn't we?
Yeah!
Noah was a godly man, but the rest of the earth was very sinful in God's eyes. So God said to Noah, you know what? I'm going to put an end to all these people. I'm going to destroy them and the earth. Noah, make yourself an ark. Bring male and female of every living animal into the ark. Take food for you and food for them and store it all away. Noah did exactly as God commanded. Noah and his family entered the ark with the animals. The door was so large that God had to shut it himself. Rain fell and the waters rose. Every living thing on the earth was wiped out. Only Noah, his family, and the animals on the ark were left. Finally, after a long time, Noah sent a dove out to search for land. But the dove came right back since it couldn't find anything. The next time Noah sent out the dove, it came back with an olive branch. The water was going down. The last time he sent out the dove, it didn't come back at all. That meant it was finally time to leave the ark. Noah thanked God for keeping them safe. God put a rainbow in the sky to promise he would never flood the earth ever again. Our next song, ladies and gentlemen, Stop the Boat.
Two by two.